Hey everybody, welcome to your first Facebook guitar lesson by Veronica. Okay. Today I'm going to teach you the 4 most common chords used in worship music. These are the first 4 chords that I ever learned, and you know what they say, all you need is 4 chords and a capo and you can play anything. So the capo is this little contraption that you see me put on my guitar in a lot of my videos. It's an easy way to change the key of a song to better fit your voice. Super easy. So if you have a guitar and you don't have a capo, I really recommend investing in one of these. They're about 20 bucks. This one is, oh gosh, I forget which kind this is. There's a couple different kinds, and yeah, just really comes in handy. But today we're not gonna deal with any of that. I'm gonna teach you those 4 chords that I talked to you about. The 4 chords I'm gonna teach you are all in the key of G. They're all in the family of playing in the key of G. And those 4 chords are the G, the C, the E minor, and the D. Okay. Let us work on the G chord first. I want to warn you that when you first start playing guitar, you are going to experience soreness on the tips of your fingers. That is because in order to play a guitar, you need to form these handy dandy little calluses. And it's going to take some time to build. It takes about, I would say, a good 2 weeks. But it hurts. I'm not going to lie to you. It hurts and it's uncomfortable, but don't give up. Once you have those calluses, you can play for hours and hours, and it will not be uncomfortable. You'll protect them. You won't want to go swimming very long because you'll want to protect those calluses when you're playing guitar. But just kind of a warning. When I first started playing, I would play for like 2 hours a day, and believe me, it was painful. But like I said, once you form those calluses, it's going to be like nothing. So don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Okay, the G chord. The G chord, you're going to use these 4 fingers. This is the most common G chord used in worship songs, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So this is a fret, 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3rd fret. This is the 1st string, and then you're going to put your ring finger, this one, that one I have my ring on, you're going to put it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then you're going to put your middle finger all the way up to the 6th string on the 3rd fret, and then you're going to put your pointer finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Now, when you put your fingers on the fret, make sure that they're close to this little fret, this little bar here, because if you move them towards the middle, it won't sound as, I guess it still sounds good, but it won't always sound good. So you want to just kind of make sure that they're as far to that point as you can get them. Okay, so this is the G chord. You're going to strum from the top string all the way down to the bottom string. Ready? And it sounds like this. Okay, now when you first start playing, your fingers may not be strong enough for it to sound that bright. Don't worry. Keep practicing. but it's going to take some pressure to make it sound that bright. Okay, it could possibly sound like this, which is, kind of muted. But don't worry, just keep, it's like a little bit of a workout for your fingers. Once your fingers gain that strength, it's going to sound that bright. Okay, so just keep working. Don't give up. Okay, now the second chord I'm going to teach you is the C chord. And it's the same, it's going to start the same. Your pinky on the first string, 3rd fret, your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and your middle finger is going to go on the 5th string instead of the 6th. So it's going to go on the 5th string on the 3rd fret, and then your pointer finger will go on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Okay, and this is the C chord, and you're going to strum this not from the top, but from the 5th string all the way down to the first one. Okay, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, so that's the C chord. Now, I'm going to teach you the E minor. The E minor, you can play it 2 different ways. You can play it with these 2 fingers or these 2 fingers. So I'm going to teach you both, just in case, one is more comfortable for you than the other. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Okay, and that's it. And you're going to strum from all the way the 6th string, the top string, all the way to the bottom. And it's going to sound like this. Okay, that is the E minor. All right, now the 4th chord I'm teaching you is the D chord. It's a little funky to put your fingers, but just trust me. It will feel better. The longer you play, it'll feel more natural. So what you're going to do is I always start with my pointer finger. You put it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Your middle finger will go on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger will go on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So this is what it looks like. See? It kind of looks like I don't know, a sideways pyramid. I don't know. I just visualize it as that. But this chord, you strum it from the 4th string all the way to the 1st string. So this is the way it should sound. And once again, in the beginning, it may not sound that bright because you don't have the strength in your fingers to push down, and plus it could hurt. But don't worry, just keep working on it. It'll get better, believe me. It will get better. I really encourage you to just don't be discouraged that it doesn't sound like this. It's okay. As long as you're positioning your fingers correctly and you're practicing that, the strength will come, and it'll come quickly. Probably within 2 weeks, you'll feel stronger and stronger, and they'll be more natural. It'll be more natural. So let's see. Now I'm going to kind of give you a little bit of an idea what kind of song you can play with those 4 chords. I'm not going to go too elaborate. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the song. But How He Loves uses those 4 chords. So I'm just going to kind of give you a very, very, very simple strum pattern. Oh, I wish I had a better camera. Maybe I'll have to invest in that. Hold on. Okay, let's see if we can get that. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, goodness. I'm just gonna put my drink on my water. All right, let's see if that works. Okay, maybe, no. Oh, crapola. All right. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So here we go, How He Loves. And we're gonna start with, so it's gonna go G, E minor, D, and C, okay? Oh, did I forget to tell you how, another way to play E minor? So pointer finger and middle finger on the 5th and 4th string on the 2nd fret. That's the way I play it because it feels more comfortable to me, but you know, that's just another option. So here we go. He is jealous for me, loves like a hurricane. I am a tree bending beneath the weight of his wind and mercy. When all of a sudden I am unaware of these afflictions eclipsed by glory, and I realize just how beautiful you are and how great your affections are for me. All right, so there you go. You learned a little bit of a worship song. So that's just one example. So that's your lesson for the day. If you have any questions, you can either send me a private message or just make a comment at the bottom of this video. Help me, this is the first time I'm teaching, so help me be a better teacher. Give me some suggestions, some ideas as to what I need to do, if I'm going too fast or going too slow. Let me know. I'd really like to be the best teacher that I could possibly be. And yeah, so welcome to your guitar and learning how to play it. Have a blessed day.